Need a tasty side dish for your summer barbecue? Then make this Mexican straight corn salad with me. I'm using fresh corn. If you don't have fresh corn, you can use frozen corn. Melt some butter, then add garlic and stir. After 10 seconds, add your corn. We want it to brown. Halfway through cooking, add salt and pepper. Once browned, stir in some chopped red pepper. Give the peppers about 3 minutes and then right into your mixing bowl. Now we make the sauce.
A little bit of mayo,
Sour cream and parmesan.
some fresh lime juice to brighten things up.
And stir. Add to your cooked corn. Add green onions, finely chopped jalapeno.
Red onions and stir.
Now the toppings, we like avocado because we grow avocados here on the ranch. Cojita cheese. If you don't have Cojita, use Feta. And more cilantro. Serve warm or at room temperature. Either way, it is so tasty.